Wake up. Stop sleeping. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Get up. Get out of bed. She gets up and goes straight to the kitchen. Turn on. Start a machine or light. Please turn on the light, it's dark. Turn off. Stop a machine or light. Don't forget to turn off the light. Put on. Wear clothes or accessories. He puts on his jacket before going out. Take off. Remove clothes or accessories. She takes off her shoes at the sofa. Go out. Leave home or go outside. I go out for dinners on Fridays. Come in. Enter a place. Come in and have a seat. Sit down. Take a seat. They sit down to eat together. Stand up. Rise from sitting. The children stand up when the teacher enters. Look after. Take care of someone or something. I look after my younger brother while my parents work. Look for. Search for something. She is looking for her phone. Pick up. Collect someone or something. He picked up the book from the floor. Drop off. Drop someone or something at a place. He dropped off the kid at school. Run out of. Have no more of something. We ran out of sugar this morning. Give up. Stop trying. Never give up even if it's hard. Fill in. Complete a form. Please fill in this form with your details. Throw away. Discard or throw something in the trash. I threw away the old magazines. Go back. Return to a place. They went back to their hometown last week. Call back. Return a phone call. I will call you back after lunch. Hung up. End a phone call. He hung up before I could answer. Check in. Register at a hotel or airport. We checked in at the hotel at noon. Check out. Leave a hotel. She checked out early this morning. Come back. Return from a place. She came back from the store with groceries. Go in. Enter a building or room. Let's go in and see what's happening. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.